So good day everyone. So we are group 2 and today we will report about unit 3 psychosocial perspective in gender and sexuality. So ang covering na is ang lesson 8 to 11. So what is psychosocial? So ang psychosocial means the two things combined. So psycho, so our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. So ang social is our relationship with others and our culture. So for example, so a girl may dream of becoming engineer. So gusto sa bahay nga may mo siya engineer. So mo nang psycho. But society may expect her to just stay at home. So gusto sa society nga magpuyo ra sa balay. So mo nang social. So psychosocial. Then example of gender roles. So mo lagi to, itong babae are expected to cook or take care of children. So men are expected to work and earn. So ang lalaki bod, so expected na is magtrabaho, umunita sa kwarta, mo na siya. So
goals of psychosocial wellness. So well-being includes physical health, mental health, emotional balance, social support, enough resources. Ang physical health is atong lawas, sa siya ka nang wala tayo sakit-sakit, and mental health is atong pangutok is sakto ang sakto iyang function dito buang-buang, and emotional balance, social support sa atong mga kauban, and enough resources. And let's proceed to gender identity. Shaped by, first is family, mga sa tagasugod kay mom yun ay magtulo sa to, friends, culture, and society. So kani siyang friends, culture, and society is nabilang siya sa kanang environment na nimo. So unsay mo makita, unsay maka-influence sa imo. So muna siya ang pagkuhan sa gender identity.
It is lesson 9. It is about love, intimacy, and relationship. So let's talk about the meaning of love. So first is love showing deeper. For example, kanang ginaatiman jud punta sa atong parents bisag gigapoy sila. So second is intimacy, closeness and trust. For example, natay suod nga amigo kanang gina-share mo nato sa mga secret mga butang. So third is passion. It refers to desire or strong attraction. Ang nabitaw mo ka-focus or bitaw mo sa inyong feelings duwa. So fourth is commitment, decision to stay. So kanang ginapili bitaw ninyong mag-stay mo duwa bisag dagan kay mo mga challenge nga naagian. So there are different theories that explain love. So first is triangular theory. So according to Robert Sternberg, ang love daw gikan aning tulo ka part sa intimacy, passion, and commitment. So kung nado isa dana nga mawala, the relationship may feel incomplete, kanang dili na kompleto. So second theory is love language. Kita manggitanan nga manggitay ilahi nga love language. So first is words of affirmation. Second is service, kanang service, gift, receiving gifts, time, quality time, and touch, physical touch. So why love matters? So ang love importante gid sa atong kinabuhi. First is build connection with people, whether your family, your friends, and your partner. So second is give meaning, kanang for example kanang bitong tanan tong gipakita o gipakita o kuan sa imong uyab ka nami to ginatagaan to kaniya og value og genuine love. So lastly is source of support kanang especially kanang itong natay bugat na gatong pamatay kanang need na bitaw nato natay need na to na natay mashiran tas source of support kanang tagaan ta og strength and comfort. So that's
So there are 5 stages of relationship. First is met to knowing each other, kung kinsa siya, taga-asa siya, kailangan lang mga personalities, so na siya. Second is getting close. So, meet man jud na, ginay close her mahitabo. To makabuild na din sila trust, emotional connection, through share their experience and mag-communication na din sila. So, third is commitment. Commitment is mo na din yung deepening relationship with investment, loyalty, and sila plano sa usa't usa. Next, number 4 is conflict or problem. So, sa relationship, di maging mawala ang away or nalanggit sila yung mga misunderstanding to para matis ilang relationship kung ligon bagod. And last is ending or continue. So, uban nga relationship gina-end nila tungod kay pagkapoy na, nag-cheat ilang partner, inana. So, uban gina-continue nila tungod kay nag-work ilang relations. And gina-secure nila ilang relations, mas priority nilang usa't usa. And hani sila sa usa og love nilang usa't usa. Healthy relationship versus unhealthy relationship. So, first is unhealthy relationship. So, first is trust, respect, and support. So, na-trust sila ang isa't isa, they believe in each other, word man or action. Next is respect. Gina-respeto nila ang isa't isa, gina-respeto nila ang mga decisions sa ilang relationship, and especially sa ilang mga boundaries. And next is support. So, gina-support nila ang isa't isa, ilang mga decision. So, unhealthy relationship is control, lack of respect, and abuse. So, that's all from lesson 9.
So, lesson 10, sex and senses. So, naatay 5 ka senses attraction. So, sight. So, ang sight mo na siyang look, smile, o style. Then, ang smell mo na siyang perfume or natural scent. Dayon, ang hearing is mo na siyang voice or laughter. Dayon, ang taste is mo na siyang kissing. And touch is mo na siyang hug or holding hands. So, smell and attraction. So, smell and attraction. Natural scent can influence attraction. So, smell and attraction says studies show people are attracted to natural scents. Example, some women are more attracted to the natural smell of men with different immune system, healthier babies possible. So, touch and bonding. Touch, comfort, and trust. Example, hugging, kissing, holding hands. So, touch and bonding, say touch, build comfort and trust. Example, hugging a friend makes you feel safe. So, erogenous zones, sensitive body areas like lips, neck, chest, or genitals. So, say some body parts are more sensitive like lip, neck, and genitals. These areas increase intimacy when touched. So, oxytocin, the love hormones, released during touch and intimacy. So, when we hug, kiss, or touch our body, release oxytocin. It's called the body hormone. creates bonding and closeness. Example, mothers release oxytocin when holding their body, building strong bonds.
Lesson 11. Sexual behavior. Type of sexual behavior: autoerotic, self-pleasure, homoerotic, same-sex, heteroerotic, opposite sex, copulatory intercourse, non-copulatory, hugging, kissing, etc. Sexual response cycle: desire, arousal, orgasm, o relation.
Sexual problems: low desire, arousal problems, trouble reaching orgasm, pain during sex. There are 5 unusual sexual behaviors: exhibitionism, voluntarism, fetinism, sadinism, and masochism. Some are harmful, illegal.